Hi boys and girls, today for our word study lesson we are going to focus on our 5 sight words for the week. We are going to do several things with them today. We are going to read them, we're going to spell them, and then we're going to write them. So I would like for you to go ahead and make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper ready if you don't already. I know lots of you keep that right next to you on your table or your desk. All right, here we go. Our first word that we are reviewing is the word the, or you can say the word the. Say it with me. The. The next word, of. Of. Say it with me. Of. Our next word is the word and. And. You say it with me. And. Our next word, it. It. Say it with me. It. Good job. Our last one is the word is. Is. Say it one more time. Is. Excellent. Okay, now I want you to get your pencil and your piece of paper. I'm going to use my marker and my whiteboard just like I have for another lesson earlier. It makes it easier for you to see. The first word we're going to start with is the word the. Let's spell it. T-H-E. Now, let's write it. The is spelled T-H-E. And notice which letters are tall letters and which letters are small letters. The T and the H are both tall, the E is small. Very good. Let's go to our next word. Our next word is the word of. Of. Let's spell it. O-F. I know sometimes when we write our word of, a lot of people like to use, let me just show you. Some people, the way it sounds, if you want to spell the word of, you might say of. Does that look like the word of? It doesn't. It's how it sounds. That's why sight words are hard to spell, because sometimes they don't look the way they sound. So let's take this away because that is not correct. And let's make sure we spell it the correct way. O-F, of. Let's write it. O-F, of. O is your small letter. F is your tall letter. Of. Okay, I'm going to clear that off. You working hard, staying with me? Good job. Our next word is going to be the word and. And. Let's spell it. A-N-D. And. Let's write it. Oh, I was hoping it would stick to my board. Let's write it. A-N-D. 2 small letters, 1 tall letter. And. You're doing great. Let's keep going. The next word is the word it. It. Let's spell it. I-T. It. And luckily, this word is spelled exactly like it sounds. It. It. Let's write it. I-T. 1 of each. 1 small letter, 1 tall letter. Very good. You ready for our last word? The last word for today Is. Is. Now, if you think about it, this word might sound a little different than it's spelled. If you say is, this is what it sounds like. Is. Is. But does that look the same? It doesn't. Sometimes the S makes a different sound. Let's get rid of that because that is not correct. We don't want to learn it the wrong way. Is. I-S. Let's write it. I-S. Is. 2 small letters. Very good. You did a super job today doing our word work lesson. Tomorrow, during word work time, during our word study lesson, Ms. Collins is not going to have a video for you. I want you to focus on these 5 words this week, and I'm going to be giving you some ideas of ways that you can practice those words at home. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye-bye.